This message is brought to you by the Taxpayer Advocate Service. Your voice at the IRS.
Hello, I'm Nina Olson, the National Taxpayer Advocate. We in the Taxpayer Advocate Service are bringing you a series of consumer tax tips to help you understand some important tax issues you may be facing. A federal tax lien may be filed against you if you haven't paid your taxes. The IRS lien is filed in your local courthouse or with the state you live in and reaches any property that you own. An IRS lien filing is public notice that you owe taxes. The IRS lien notice will harm your credit rating, which could affect your ability to get a loan, buy a house or car, get a credit card, or sign a lease. The IRS lien remains on your property until your taxes are paid in full or for as long as the IRS is able to collect the taxes, which is generally 10 years from the date the debt starts. For more information on liens, look at IRS Publication 594, the IRS Collection Process. If you have a lien filed against you, you can take steps to possibly have it removed or modified. It is important that you contact the IRS and explain your situation. Only you know about your own financial circumstances. So when you get an IRS notice, don't ignore it. If the IRS has filed a notice of lien against your property and you are trying to sell your house, the IRS may be able to arrange what is called a discharge, which removes the lien from the house you are trying to sell. The IRS will generally expect to be paid the full amount of the taxes you owe, or at least the amount that is secured by the tax lien. In many cases, the tax lien is second in place to your mortgage company, and the IRS is only entitled to what is left after the mortgage company is paid. In other cases, your spouse or friend may own one half of the property, and the IRS is only entitled to be paid from your share of the property. Publication 783, Instructions on How to Apply for Certificate of Discharge of Property from Federal Tax Lien, provides more information about discharges. If you are trying to refinance your house, the IRS may agree to let the IRS lien take second place behind the mortgage lender for your new loan. This is known as a lien subordination. In most cases, a lender will not provide financing unless it knows its lien is ahead of all others. The IRS might agree to this when you have a lot of equity in your home, and by refinancing, you will be able to take cash out and use it to pay the IRS. Or, by lowering your monthly mortgage payment, you will be able to make larger monthly payments to the IRS. Publication 784, How to Prepare Application for Certificate of Subordination of Federal Tax Lien, provides more information on lien subordinations. Finally, the IRS may simply withdraw the lien in a number of situations, including entering into a payment plan known as an installment agreement. But it is important to act. Do not be an ostrich with your head in the sand, hoping the lien will just go away. It won't. So, the first step is to contact the IRS. Call, write, or visit the nearest IRS office right away to explain your situation. If you decide you need professional help with your lien, remember that only a licensed attorney, certified public accountant, or enrolled agent can represent you before the IRS. If you can't afford representation, you may qualify for free representation by a low-income taxpayer clinic. Refer to Publication 4134, Low-Income Taxpayer Clinic List, to find a clinic in your state. I hope this information helps, but if you have a tax problem that is causing financial difficulty or significant cost, or you have tried to resolve your issue through normal IRS channels and have gotten nowhere, or you believe an IRS system or procedure just isn't working as it should, you can come to the Taxpayer Advocate Service. We're independent within the IRS, so our people know the system and can help you navigate it. We will listen to your problem, help you understand what needs to be done to resolve it, and stay with you every step of the way until your problem is resolved. We have at least one local taxpayer advocate in each state, the District of Columbia, and Puerto Rico. You can call your local advocate whose number is in your phone book, or call our toll-free case intake line at 1-877-ASK-TAS-1, ASK-TAS-1. You can also visit our website at www.irs.gov/advocate. Thank you, and remember, the Taxpayer Advocate Service is your voice at the IRS.